In the meantime, commanding officer for the St. James Police, SSP Aaron Samuels, says diligent police work helped them to track down the men.
On Thursday, February 26, sometime between 8:30 and 9 p.m., we received reports of a robbery that took place in the Ironshore area, where two persons were robbed of their belongings by men traveling in a Voxy motor vehicle armed with handguns. Subsequent to that, we tracked the cell phone belonging to one of the victims to a location in the Coralgans area. We secured a warrant, and members of the area and divisional operational teams conducted an operation there. Upon entering the complex, they were greeted with gunfire by members of the gang. At the end of everything, 3 men were found suffering from gunshot wounds.
Detectives also seized police paraphernalia, including 2 bulletproof vests, another tactical vest, and a police shirt. A Toyota Voxy motorbus has also been seized. It is believed to be the gangsters' getaway vehicle.
And criminals from outside of the area should not attempt to come to St. James to try to disturb the peace and harmony that we are currently experiencing in the St. James division.